This is vinegar, okay? And this is baking soda, okay? We have to be careful with the baking soda. We put in the balloon. How to put? I'm doing like this. Look, put it. Put. No hand, no hand. You touch the balloon. Don't put. Don't dirty your hand. Don't let one much. Wait, no. Finish? Finish to put baking soda? And we are putting this in the mouth of the bottle, okay? We are keeping in the mouth of the bottle and then when we put this one, what do we see? What do we see? Do you see? When vinegar reacts with baking soda, the balloon is flowing. This is the experiment. Understood? So when they are combined with, when baking soda is combined with vinegar, the reaction is, it releases what? It releases gas, and the gas is blowing the balloon. Now you understand? Okay, great.